The restaurant business is a beast. It's tough, demanding and unforgiving, but it's exciting. Right now, there's a silent revolution happening behind kitchen doors worldwide. It's the rise of the machine. According to market research by Next Move Strategy Consulting, the global commercial cooking equipment market size is predicted to reach $19 billion by 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of 5%. The hospitality industry is booming. Travel is back, driving restaurant growth. More tourists mean more demand. Businesses are upgrading their kitchens. High-end restaurants need high-end tools. Food safety regulations are getting tighter. Governments are cracking down on hygiene standards. Equipment manufacturers are stepping up. They're designing equipment with safety in mind. Fast food is booming. Quick service restaurants need fast, efficient equipment. Think high-speed ovens and automated systems. Technology ensures consistency and speed. Asia is a culinary paradise, offering an incredible diversity of flavors, ingredients, and cooking styles. The demand for high-quality, efficient kitchen equipment is soaring. The future of the kitchen is global, and Asia is leading the way. The world of commercial cooking equipment is on fire. Several market players operating in the commercial cooking equipment industry include AB Electrolux, Illinois Toolworks, John Bean Technologies, the Middleby Corporation, Haier Group, Hoshizaki America, Alto Charm, Marmon Food Service Technologies, and Duke Manufacturing Company, among others. As dining out grows, so does the demand for advanced tools. Innovation is the name of the game. The future of the kitchen is connected and efficient.